Welcome back to Auto Explorer. The 2025 Buick Envista is here, replacing the Encore as Buick's new entry-level SUV. With a starting price of just $23,995, it offers a premium design and modern tech without the hefty price tag. But with a small engine and front-wheel drive only, is it the right SUV for you? Let's take a closer look. The Envista's sleek fastback design gives it a premium and sporty look. The Avenir trim adds stylish 19-inch nickel-finished wheels and a mesh grille, making it appear more expensive than it is. For 2025, Buick introduces a new aquamarine blue metallic color and standard features like remote start and rear parking assist. Under the hood, every Envista comes with a turbocharged 1.2L 3-cylinder engine producing 137 horsepower. It's paired with a 6-speed automatic transmission and front-wheel drive. No AWD option is available. While acceleration is fine for city driving, it takes 9.3 seconds to reach 60 miles per hour, making highway merging a bit sluggish. However, the ride is smooth, handling is confident, and steering is precise for everyday driving. Inside, the Envista offers spacious seating for 4, and the sloping roofline doesn't sacrifice rear headroom. The cabin features a large glass panel on the dashboard, housing an 8-inch digital gauge cluster and an 11-inch infotainment touchscreen. Standard wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto enhance the tech experience. The Avenir trim offers the most upscale interior, though it's not quite on par with luxury brands. Cargo space is generous, with 20 cubic feet behind the seats and 42 cubic feet with them folded down. The Envista comes equipped with standard safety features, including automatic emergency braking, lane keeping assist, and automatic high beams. Adaptive cruise control is available as an option. The 2025 Buick Envista starts at $23,995 and goes up to $29,695, depending on trim and features. It delivers stylish design, good tech, and great value in the subcompact SUV segment. However, if you need all-wheel drive, you'll have to look at the more expensive Encore GX. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe and turn on notification.